Hi, I'm Sean Gannon. This is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about two-step inequalities. We're going to solve each inequality and graph its solution. So if I was given this inequality, negative 132 is greater than 12 times n plus 9, in parentheses. Well, my first step, I want to bring the 12 over, so I'm going to divide by 12 to both sides. Well, on the right-hand side, I'm left with just the n plus 9, but on the left-hand side, I'm not sure off the top of my head what 12 into 132 is. So 12 goes into 132, well, 12 goes into 13 one time, and 1 times 12 is 12. We subtract them, 13 minus 12 is 1, bring down to 2, and pretty simple at this point. 12 goes into 12 one time, 1 times 12 is 12, subtract them, good to go. And so now we have 11 is our answer here. Now, negative 132 divided by 12, a negative divided by positive is a negative, and so we have a negative 11 right there. Now, I get n isolated, so I subtracted 9 to both sides, and negative 11 minus 9 is a negative 20. So we have negative 20 here is greater than n. Let's rewrite this to have n come first, so we have n is less than a negative 20. So be careful there, right? We flip the inequality when we do that. So we have n is less than a negative 20, and that is my final answer. So now I need to graph it. So make a little number line here, negative 20, put that in the middle, negative 20, let's go by tens, negative 10, we got 0 right there, negative 30, and negative 40. Okay? Now we said that n is less than a negative 20. Since it's not equal to, we need an open circle. So we have an open circle at negative 20, and since n is less to, we shade to the left, or put our arrow to the left there, and there we have it. We have our graph here that matches our answer, which is n is less than negative 20. So let's recap. We're given negative 132 is greater than 12 times parentheses n plus 9. I divided 12 to both sides to get rid of this 12 right here, leaving me with the n plus 9 on the right. And then a negative 132 divided by 12, using long division, would come out to be negative 11. Because remember, negative divided by a positive is a negative. I then subtracted 9 to both sides, leaving me with n by itself on the right, and negative 11 minus 9 being negative 20 on the left. Well, I wanted to rewrite this to have n come first, and so instead of writing negative 20 is greater than n, I wrote that n is less than negative 20. That helps me write up my graph now. So we have n isolated first, great, negative 20 right there, okay. We have an open circle because it's not equal to, right, negative 20, it's just less than. And the arrow to the left represents where n is, where it's less than negative 20. And so now my graph matches my final answer, which is n is less than a negative